It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over how to make money on Spotify using meditation audio. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy, Yon World. Now, if you've been following my page for the past month, I've been teaching independent artists about the Spotify method, teaching them how to make money with your music on Spotify as an independent artist. Now, on those videos, I revealed that I had multiple Spotify accounts, right? One being Yon World, another being Yon, right, that I've shown. And on Yon, as you can see, I have over 113,000 monthly listeners on this meditation profile, right? And not only do I use the Spotify method, but I was also blessed to get on multiple Spotify playlists, official Spotify playlists, like the Meditate to the Sounds of Nature, right? I'm on this Spotify playlist. I think I'm like 100, or no, I'm number 23 on here, right? Number 23 on that playlist. So, yeah, like I was blessed to get on Spotify playlists. I'm gonna make a video teaching y'all or explaining how to do that. You have to do that when you first release a song in Spotify for artists, but I'm gonna make a video explaining how to get on Spotify editorial playlist. Right, but on this video, I'm about to explain how to make money on Spotify using meditation audio, right? So a lot of people may be interested in the Spotify method, but you aren't necessarily an artist, you don't make music, right? But you understand that when you upload music on Spotify and it generates streams, that generates money, and you want to be a part of that. So a way around that is to create a meditation profile and to get meditation audio. Now, how do you create meditation audio? It's very simple. All you got to do is go to a website called Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is where freelancers sell their services, right? They sell all of the skills they learned, anything from building website, music promotion, building blog posts, all type of e-commerce, anything you want, you can find on Fiverr. It's a freelance marketplace. You can find a lot of, you can outsource a lot of different tasks and jobs for your small business, right? And on here, you can come on here and you can get meditation audio made. Now, meditation audio is called binaural beats, right? This is what people meditate to. They meditate to binaural beats, and what that basically is when the audio is played in the left ear and the right ear, one audio played in the left ear, a different audio played in the right ear, and they meet in the center pineal gland to create a frequency, and this causes, your brain to meditate and to reach a relaxed state. Now, on here, it's a specific offer on Fiverr. Now, it's a bunch of different offers, but I already went through and I know what you want to pick. I'm going to have the link in the description to these offers. So make sure you go through the bio and click the links, and, go in the comment section, click the links also. But on Fiverr, you have to come and go to this link, right? This offer, right? And then you come on here, you will buy 35 tracks, right? You can buy more. The premium for $75, you can get 120 tracks. They 20 minutes each. You can cut the tracks using different software online, audiotrimmer.com. You can cut the tracks up, into shorter 1-2 minute songs, right? And create an album. You would create a meditation album. You would upload this album using a music distribution service, or online music distribution service, right? And once you upload that music, then you could generate streams using the Spotify method. Now, after you come on here and you buy the tracks, right, you can get the basic package, $35, or you could, however, whatever your marketing strategy is, whatever your plan is, right? If you need help, I do offer consulting, right, on my website. But you would just come on here, get the audio, right? After that, you need to find stock images, like photos of nature, right? If you go on my profile, my meditation profile, and you look at some of the albums I have, it's just like abstract photos of the moon, photos of clouds, photos of the sky, right? And then I take those photos and I come to a software. This is called Photoscape, right? I come on this software called Photoscape, and I can make cover art, right? I make the cover art for all of my albums on Photoscape, right? And you can see right here, I just made this cover art for a YouTube video I did about how to get This Is Spotify playlist. So I just use Photoscape. I come on here, add little text, I changed the size to 3,000 by 3,000. That's something you got to know when you uploading music. You need a cover art, a big cover art, a square image of 3,000 by 3,000, right? And once you have that, you're able to upload it, right? And where you upload this music is through different music distribution services. Now, I told y'all I'm on over 5 music distribution services. So I'm about to share all of the ones, that I recommend, y'all to try out with the Spotify method. So first one, y'all can try out when you uploading meditation music. You can try out DistroKid. Now, DistroKid is one of the fastest uploading music distributors, right? You can set I just want it on Spotify, I don't want it on Apple Music, I don't want it on YouTube. You can set things like that. So I like DistroKid. One thing I can't tell you about DistroKid is the payments are up in the air. You're gonna get random payments. There's no set pay date. So they pay out for sure. They do pay out, but it's random. So if you real serious about the money and you need money and on certain dates, right? DistroKid you may not like DistroKid when it comes to the money aspect, but the uploading aspect, they good. Now, another one is Level Music, right? You can upload your meditation audio on Level Music. All you need is the cover art and all of the MP3s, right? Once you once you order from this Fiverr offer, right, they give you all of the high quality MP3s that you need to upload on these platforms, right? Some platforms may tell you to convert it to a wave, or they may automatically convert it to a wave file for you. So in order to convert it to a wave file, it's very simple. All you got to do is look up MP3 to wave, and you will be able to upload the audio. But once you get all the audios downloaded to your computer, right, and you got the cover art made, then you want to go to these music distribution services, right? I recommend DistroKid, Level Music. Another one is TuneCore, right? One of the big ones. TuneCore, you can come over here. Now, TuneCore, they got set paydays. They pay out every Friday. Level Music, they pay out every 15th. So I like trying out other platforms just because other platforms, they got different pay dates, and I like DistroKid a lot. I really like DistroKid. I always tell people to try DistroKid just because of the capabilities, like how you can select, I want this store, I don't want this store. Like, you can do a lot on DistroKid. You can create multiple accounts too, which I learned. And the only thing I don't like is the pay. But Level Music, all of these give you 100% of your royalties too. You can also upload on United Masters. Now, you gotta pay United Masters like a yearly subscription fee, $70, and you get 100% of your rights, and you can upload as much as you want. So with DistroKid is, I think it's like $30. You can upload as much as you want, right? 100% of your rights. Level Music is free. You get 100% of your rights. TuneCore, right? TuneCore it costs, I think it's like $50 an album, $30 a single, something like that. And it costs, it's a reoccurring fee, but you get paid every Friday, right? The United Masters, $70 a year. Upload as much as you want. Then after your music upload, you just gotta run music promotion. Whether you pay to get on playlists, it's multiple playlists you can pay to get on, or you could do the Spotify method and run streams and generate streams using Spotify campaigns and using API access tokens from premium Spotify accounts and generating streams like that, right? All of them, both ways are royalty eligible. You'll get paid whether you get playlist promotion or you do the Spotify method. Either one, is royalty eligible, right? Now, another way you can earn, good money is through getting on Spotify editorial playlist. Now, the way you get on the Spotify editorial playlist, I'm gonna make a video about this, but I'm gonna just say it in this video just in case I don't make the video. But the way you get on Spotify editorial playlist is when you upload your music on these platforms, right? When you upload your music on these platforms, you gotta plan it out like 3 weeks ahead, like almost a month ahead, right? If you plan it out like that, you really got a marketing strategy and a marketing plan, right? On your Spotify for artists, right, you will get an email saying that you can submit, you got an upcoming release, and that you can submit a song, right? You can submit these songs to get heard by the editorial playlist. Now, when you upload an album, you can only be able to select one song, but the Spotify editors can listen to your whole project. So select the best song, and then you want to categorize it by the different themes of their playlist. A lot of their playlists have a lot of different themes, and they like chill vibes, or they might have like a hip-hop playlist or electronic playlist. Like, you gotta know the tempo and the vibe of your song, and when you uploading it through the Spotify for artists, you select all of these different vibes and tempos, and like, does your beat have chords or strings or pianos, and like they ask you these things about your song so they can place it within like the different editorial playlists, right, that match. So yeah, but you get on these playlists when you first upload your music. When you first upload your music and you plan it ahead, you get on these playlists by using Spotify for artists, and then they'll send you an email once you logged on. If you already had your Spotify artist page claimed, right, they'll send you an email, then you can submit a track and for consideration, and they'll send you an email right when you get selected too. So yeah, that's my video for today. If y'all had any questions, leave a comment. Y'all need to like real detailed help, I probably won't be able to get to you through just a comment question or just like a DM. You might have to pay for a consultant, because I get a lot of different comments, a lot of people reaching out to me. I'm running an online business, so I gotta like tend to orders, and I gotta do a lot. So if y'all really need me to focus on you and like give you the time and the attention that you want, just check out my website. I offer consulting, and we can work. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.